Hello friends, this is Saishwar and you're watching Saishwar Vlogs. Friends, today is Sunday. I am at the top of my hostel. Today I will tell you the 3 easy steps to speak fluent English. Okay, first of all, first step is you need to thought in English. For example, if your own native language is Hindi and हिंदी में आप सोच रहे थे ना, आप कपड़े धोने का बोल के सोचे तो उसको you need to thought like we need to wash the clothes. So that if you thought in English, then you will speak English, because you will form a sentence to speak in mind. That's why you need to thought in English. It is the main step. If you don't thought in English, you can't speak in English. The second step is don't shy. I am also a learner in speaking English. I am also doing videos in front of you. I am also stuck in previous videos. Also now I am stucking. So don't shy in front of anyone. Speak it. It is wrong, it is right, just speak it. I am also doing that, so that's why I am in front of you. And the third one is the English is a just language. It is not the knowledge. In India, many people think that if you know English, if you speak better English, then you will that person is intelligent. That thought is wrong, because some people have so much knowledge in their brain, but they don't speak in English, fluent English. That's the reason they don't I'm also stuck. They don't नहीं होते बोले तो वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं बनते बोल के नहीं बोल सकते. If they don't speak in English, they are also a intelligent person. English is just a language, so don't worry about the English. Just speak in English, it will definitely improve. I will tell you another point also. The point is speak in mixed English. Something like if your native language is Hindi, then speak with Hindi and English. You can combine these language. Something like if you open ChatGPT and ask it to give answer in only English, not English. It's the meaning of Hindi plus English. Then it will gives you in English. It will mix the two languages. It will mix the Hindi and English. Then it will give the answer. So that's type of language. Also you can try it in few days, in learning days. And also you need to speak regularly, because if you don't speak regularly, you can't speak fluent English. So that's why speak regularly. It is worst English, or if you are stuck in English, then speak only in English. It will definitely improve your speaking skills. You can see my previous videos. I am doing this type of videos from last 5 days. I'm also got some improvement in my English. I am speaking some extra speed now. In previous days I didn't speak in this speed. So if you speak daily, then you will definitely get the speed, and you will definitely get the words. Some people, they try to speak in English, but they don't get the words. Something like me. I am also that type of person. When I speak a big speech, I'm also my mind also not give me the not they it's not this is what this is my situation. It is also your situation, then no worry about it, because it is everyone's situation. Every learner, in every English learner also do this in early days. So please don't shy with that. practice every day, practice, do practice, then you will get fluent English. No one speak better English, they only speak dabba English only. They mixed everything, they this that there, that's it. So don't shy in front of anyone. Speak what you know, and if they understand your meaning, your thoughts, then that is the point. It is no it is right or wrong, it is not matter. If you speak in past tense, or if you speak in future tense, or if you speak in present tense, it is doesn't matter. If you convey your thoughts to the opposite person, it is a matter. So you need to practice daily, you need to speak English first. If you speak daily regular basis, then you will definitely speak a fluent English. Okay, this is the video about how to speak better English. The steps I mentioned here is basic steps, and everyone don't notice these 3 steps, so 3 and 4 steps. So please notice these steps and don't worry about English. Just try every day. You will definitely speak fluent English in only 1 month and 1.5 month. So don't worry about your English, and also don't learn big words. So it's not correct, because no one knows the big words. Some people learn lot of many big words. Sometimes when people talk to me, then I don't understand the words, because why they are using those words. Then after the speech I will remember those words, and after that I do search in Google and get the meaning of that. So don't speak any big words, and don't learn any big words. Please learn only normal words and normal English. If you learn this type of English, then you will easily speak fluent English. Also, and I wanted to do videos on technologies, tech stacks also. I stopped they were in CSS. I need to do videos of JavaScript and Python. Also I need to do React videos also. Please do subscribe, because without any subscription I can't do, because I am thinking like that I am wasting time. मुझे वैसे ही लगता है. आप सब्सक्राइब करें तो, आप देखें तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए आप प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब. वीडियोस को देखिए, क्योंकि सीखना ये 1 घंटे. इफ़ यू वॉच एवरी डे 1 hour or 2 hours, you will definitely get your job in 1 year. If you are a student, this is the better option. We have so many videos in YouTube, but also you can learn from a software developer already doing the job. This is a better option, because I know everything. I don't know everything, and I know everything. And also I'm a learner. I want to learn more technologies. I am learning Flutter. I want to build a application for me and others. Okay friends, this is the video of, I think it is day 5. Okay, let's continue this English every day. I try to speak every day English on new topics. Today I didn't get a topic, that's why I speak only how to speak English topic. Okay, tomorrow I will search for a new topic and I will speak on the topic. This is my English. I am improving every day. I don't have mirror, that's why I am speaking in front of you. Okay friends, bye bye. मिलते हैं next video में. Keep learning.